this is Imran and Pinky again with the BNP team, and we have this luxury home in Richmond, Texas. We are featuring this today, and let's walk through with Imran and let's see how amazing this house has turned out.
Hi guys, so this is one of the featured home by the BNP team. We were able to help our buyer build this nice J. Patrick home in Aliana on Carluke Street. This was one of the first home sites on Carluke Street in Aliana on a 80-foot section. Our buyer had a specific requirement of having over 5,500 square feet semi-custom home with circular driveway, more modern looking. And let me tour you inside how this home is built. Let's check it out. Welcome in guys. If you see, this home has double door entrance with high ceilings, spiral staircase. If you see, they have added, the rotunda ceiling here. Your office is right here. Very spacious, very open floor plan. You have the dining here, you have kitchen, you have your family room here. Everything is overlooking your backyard. And what I love about this kitchen floor plan is, if you see the countertop, it's huge. They were able to customize this and add a waterfall island here. They were able to go to the design center and add this modern cabinets. And the other biggest highlight and feature of this kitchen floor plan is you have the option of adding a spice kitchen. One of the biggest custom change to this floor plan was extending this family room. If you see this, it's very spacious. And because of this extension, we were able to add more windows. Now this brings a lot of natural sunlight. And let me show you the patio on the outside. We were able to extend this patio. Now this patio accommodates an outdoor kitchen, and we were able to add another fireplace on the outside. And look at the view of the swimming pool. This is sitting on the green belt. A lot of privacy to our homeowners. So this patio area has two access doors to the house. One is from the family room and one is close to your bedroom and formal dining. Let's check this. Master bedroom has high ceilings. If you see, we have extended this area. This is the extended study area where you can put nice chairs and table where you can spend time reading books. And this is also overlooking your backyard, overlooking the swimming pool in the back. This bathroom design won GHBA Prism Award for the best design. If you see, this is called a walk-through shower. In the front, we have added a standalone tub, and I just love the way the whole master bathroom is designed with a huge closet. This home features 3 bedrooms upstairs, media room, game room, and if you see the game room, it extends to the balcony overlooking the green belt. So Kensington plan is one of the most popular plan by J. Patrick Homes. We were able to not just customize the plan on the inside, but if you checked on the outside, the elevation was also semi-customized. And the best part is that this elevation this year won the most prestigious GHBA Prism Award for the best elevation, and I'm so happy to share this news with everybody.
Yeah, so when this was highlighted as a finalist elevation, and Imran was like, I've seen this home. And then we remembered in a second, like, okay, this is one of the home the BNP team has sold in Aliana. And right away we were so excited. Before the finalists were announced, the winner were announced, we texted our clients. So this was very exciting for us.
And I want to thank J. Patrick Homes, to take good care of our clients, and we always enjoy working with them. And the way they take care of our clients throughout the whole process, it can be overwhelming, very exciting process for a lot of buyers. And all the options working with the sales team, with the architect team, with the builder was really amazing.
This house is a wowzer. Hope you all enjoyed the walkthrough with us today. The BNP team will be bringing many more luxury, custom and semi-custom homes video in the future.
We're going to bring more such videos for you. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel today.
Yeah, don't forget. Bye.